Here at Leatherman, we love to innovate on new multi-tool designs. But there's something about a classic. There are tools in our lineup that have stayed true to the original, and as a result have become some fan favorites. Today, we'll discuss why this multi-tool style has stood the test of time. Some of you are familiar with the Pocket Survival Tool, or PST. This was the original multi-tool released in 1983 by Tim Leatherman. Today, we refer to this style of multi-tool design as the box style. When you open it up, the handles act sort of like toolboxes, housing everything on the inside. Although we've launched a variety of new multi-tools designed since the launch of the PST, we have a few in our lineup that have stayed true to the classic design. They're the Bond, Rebar, and Super Tool 300. Let's get into these and discuss why they're some of our most popular multi-tools. As you can see, all the tools are stored inside the multi-tool. This keeps the tool exceptionally compact and smooth. To access the tools, you open it up and remove what you're looking for. Each model has a handy ruler on the outside for quick measurements. They also have a large cutout, so it's easier to access the knife blade while wearing gloves. Each of these tools are similar. However, they have some unique characteristics that set them apart. The Bond features 14 tools in a slim, compact form factor. It's one of the most compact tools that Leatherman makes. It's a solid choice for first-time multi-tool owners. It's also designed with non-locking implements, which means when the tools open them up, you just close them shut when you're ready. This is excellent for people living in locations that don't allow locking knife blades. Also, without a lock, the back of the tool is exceptionally smooth, making it easy to slip in and out of pockets. The Bond is available in stainless steel, as well as a variety of outdoor-inspired colors. The key features of the Rebar are all locking tools. It has 17 different implements, including premium replaceable wire cutters. This tool is also available in a knifeless version, where the knife has been replaced with scissors. This is excellent for work environments in countries that do not allow knife blades. The Rebar comes in stainless steel, black, coyote tan, and our assortment of outdoor colors. The Super Tool 300 is the largest and strongest of the box design multi-tools. It has 19 tools inside, including some of the strongest pliers Leatherman makes. That's why it's a favorite for professionals and trades. Like Bond and Rebar, it has handle cutouts that give easier access to the main tools. The Super Tool 300 is available in stainless finish and black oxide. Now that you know more about the design and features of these tools, let's talk about our suggested uses for each one. When considering tools that people will be carrying with them pretty much every day, we usually recommend Bond or Rebar. Both are small and more compact and fit well in a pocket. The Bond is lighter, simpler, and more compact than the Rebar. It's well suited for DIY and outdoor enthusiasts, offering a good balance of tools without the added weight. On the other hand, while slightly heavier, the Rebar has an expanded tool set, which includes a serrated knife blade, saw, and replaceable wire cutters. This makes Rebar a favorite choice for those who need a reliable tool in a more rugged or intensive environment. Both the Bond and the Rebar have their merits. The choice ultimately depends on the user's specific needs and their preferences for an EDC tool. When it comes to choosing the best tool for quick repairs and DIY projects around the house, both the Bond and the Rebar have distinct advantages. Bond, with its lighter weight and streamlined set of tools, is perfect for those who want something easy to carry and handle. Its simplicity makes it an excellent choice for common household tasks, from tightening screws to minor fixes. Rebar offers a more comprehensive array of tools. This makes it a versatile and durable option for more demanding DIY projects. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your needs. Choose Bond for its convenience and lightweight design, or Rebar for its durability and functionality. When selecting an ideal tool for trades, construction, and other skilled work, Rebar and Super Tool 300 offer distinct advantages. Rebar has many useful tools for these environments, but in a lightweight, compact size. Because of its size, it makes it easier to have with you at all times. For the Super Tool 300, you're getting a multi-tool that rivals the strength of many standalone tools you'll find on the job site. Its larger frame allows for more extended, robust tools to help you finish the job. The pliers are some of the strongest that Leatherman makes and have replaceable wire cutters. For additional functionality, check out the Super Tool 300M, which has a bit driver, scraper, and all. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who need a dependable all-in-one tool. Because of its size, the Super Tool 300 may not be as comfortable in your pocket or on the belt. Ultimately, the choice between the Rebar and the Super Tool 300 hinges on the user's requirements. The Rebar offers a compact yet practical solution. At the same time, the Super Tool 300 provides a more robust tool set for on-the-job problem solving. Whether you prioritize the lightweight convenience of Bond, the rugged versatility of Rebar, or the extensive tool set of the Super Tool 300, these three Leatherman multi-tools with their iconic box design cater to a wide array of needs and preferences. Each tool offers unique strengths that suit different situations: everyday carry, demanding DIY projects, or professional applications. By understanding the specific requirements of your tasks, you can select the multi-tool that best complements your lifestyle, ensuring that you are always equipped to handle whatever challenges come your way. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite classic multi-tool.